All right, so here is the Spark where we're staying at. Let's go look inside to show you where we're staying at today. All right. So this is the lobby. Ooh, look at that. There's a little coffee cart. And we're just gonna chill in here. It's not as big as the usual resorts we're staying, but we don't plan on being in the hotel too much because we gotta go to Halloween Horror Nights and Epic Universe and check out Ripley's and who knows what else we want to do. So come along with us as we take you around a little trip to Orlando this week. All right, so we got some Chick-fil-A. I don't know if it's just me, but it seems smaller. My wife says it's just the bun. Well, the chicken looks okay, but it still looks smaller. The bun is like a cheeseburger-sized bun at McDonald's. Well, I'm gonna eat, then we'll load up a video with the room and this mess. All right, so came to Orlando, and I think we paid $500 for about 4 nights with round trip, and we are staying at the Spark by Hilton. It's a little hotel, but man, it's pretty good. We're not gonna be here that much anyway. They have a little pool. I got a desk I can work on if I have to do videos. There's a little welcome package. There's a little welcome package. What's in the welcome package?
Welcome, Hilton honor member.
I forgot we were honor members. I don't even know what that means. Let's see. It's a bag. It says, "Get the hell out of here."
Some water.
Whoa.
And some pop chips.
Hey, I'll take the pop chips. All right.
That's nice, though.
Yep. Came with 2 beds, but that's fine. Giant door for the bathroom. There's a camera so you can see me. Or a mirror, I mean. I'm so tired. We've been up since like 2 in the morning, 2:30. Coat rack. This little stuff. Little place. Does what it needs to do. Perfect for me. Enjoy.